Mm. Hello, doctor. My name is Yu Tao. My report is titled Dong Stock Investment Analysis Report. Next, I will present around the following six aspects. First, the economic analysis since 2022, the weak economic recovery 12 angry deputy risk, the Ukraine crisis, and other major challenges intertwined. The world economic shows the growth. High inflation, higher cost, higher interest rates, higher leverage, higher uncertainty, a lower five high situation. On the other hand, the global economic face downside risk due to soaring inflation and interest rates. On the other hand, China's inflation is now unstable and will remain manageable in the future. We can say about it to PPT. The second part is an introduction of the industrial analysis. We can say the follows PPT. The third party is the technological analysis. So the 3-year financial indicators of Dong'egao with vertical compression, it can be found that its net profit turned into profit. The coordinate of business continued to improve back to beginning growth. The above chart shows the comparison between Dong'egao and the relevant stock volume, the same industry. It can be seen that Dong'egao has a larger range of ups and downs compared to the same industry, and its stock performance is better, which is conducive to its reflection, prevention of uncertainties, and balanced comparison, as well as conducive to improve the reputation of company. Dong'egao is at a higher level of total market capitalization, assets, and profit in the Chinese medical industry. Then we look at the monthly key line chart of Dong'egao. We can find several increasing patterns in the chart. Prices engulfing patterns monthly operate at the top of an uptrend, where the last positive line of an uptrend is engulfed by a large negative line, meaning that the short side has taken over and the market is likely to fall in the short term. Brush engulfment most occurs at the bottom of downtrend, where the last negative line of a downtrend is engulfed by a large positive line, meaning that the type first have gained the upper and the market is likely to rise the short term. The compound here the surges sharp generally ends with an upward breakout, and its stress is often weaker than the ordinary hit and surge's bottom, often complete only its minimum rise, but the pattern is realizable, and even if it falls, it is away. In October 2018, DIF and MACD both break down below the zero axis when the stock price plunging trend at this time is as a sell signal, as well as the July 2022 DEA exited DIF appearance disclose generation a sell signal BAR commuting is located below the z-axis. The resultant trend down, the BAR bar is below the z-axis, and the intrinsic trend is downward, and which point it should be sought. Conceivably, a good cross of DIF over DEA in April 2020 and October 2022 generated a buyer signal, which the BAR bar above the z-axis and the nearly team trend upward, at which point it should be bought. This MACD chart does not inflection much at this relative smooth indication that Dong stock is relatively stable in the long run and worth investing in. T and D value are always between 0 and 100. When the key D9 is greater than 80, then market present and overbought for morning. When the KD9 is located above 50 indicates that the stock is stronger. When the KD9 is located below 50 indicates that the stock is weak. When the KD9 is less than 20, the market present and oversold performance. 2020 December, when we key 9 excited the D9, there is a good cross suitable for buying. J9 for the 3 times D9 and twice the disadvantage value of the key line. Key at this time at J9 is 0 below the round up and over 0. Can be used as a short-term buy. For example, in May 2021, when buying down a Gao stock. On the contrary, the J9 above 100 turn down through 100 can be used as a short-term sell point. The correct down game J9 is over 18, which means the stock price has risen more and has taken to fall back, so purchase with calculation, while you can prefer to sell. The top point of 70 is an overbought single reflection relevation stronger buying power when it is appropriate to sell stock. For example, July 2020 and December 2021 are suitable for selling stocks. On the contrary, the bottom point 30 is an oversold single reflection leveraging stronger selling powers, which is suitable for bottom at this time. For example, May 2018 is suitable for buying stocks. The RSI indicator is a correction in a long vacation stress requiring about to enter a small pullback in the oversold area of the type, which is an extremely strong buy signal. You can choose to sell share of Dong during this period. The possibility of getting relative much greater. The fourth party is future early forecast. So Dong financial data forecast for 2020 and 2021, it is expected that the company's future performance will gradually achieve recovery and the brand power is expected to keep improve. The fifth part is some situation based on the investment analysis of Dong stock. The last part is something singles we have gained while doing the stock analysis. This is all I have reported. Thank you for watching and listening.